You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name, meaning designating God himself in the religion of Islam. If you want to learn more Arabic names, including from the Quran, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. It's not Allah, it's pronounced in Arabic, from Arabic, Allah. Allah. How to pronounce Allah. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.